Brodware Progressive Mixers are designed and engineered to allow the user optimal functionality without compromising design. This technology allows control of both the flow of water and temperature. Simple precision in a seamless form. From the off position, as the handle begins to turn clockwise, cold water will begin to flow from the outlet, gradually increasing in flow as the user continues to turn the handle. A soft click is felt at the first 90 degrees of handle rotation, which indicates the user has reached full flow of cold water. Continue rotating the handle clockwise and water will remain at high pressure. Hot water will begin to mix in with the cold water. A further rotation of 45 degrees and a second soft click will be felt, which indicates the user has reached full flow with mixed hot and cold water. Turning the handle beyond this point reduces the amount of cold water until you only have full flow hot water. The hot water will gradually reduce in flow as the handle rotates fully clockwise. The progressive mixer's shut-off function is always achieved by fully rotating the handle anti-clockwise back to its original starting position. To create a space where functional living is as personalised as it is sophisticated, where efficiency and function meet seamless form and elegant lines, with many customizability options and unrivaled technology, choose Brodware's Halo range.